So first we need to install the Management Studio because it contains the database engine. So where we have to write our queries and we need to connect to the reporting services. So first you need to double click and here you can choose the path. So I will keep the default path, click install. In the meanwhile, I need to show you how to download Visual Studio. So let's go to the browser and search for Visual Studio 2019. Hit enter and you can see the first link, download Visual Studio Tools. Click here and you will find the Community Edition, Professional and Enterprise. So we will go for the free edition, that is Community. So just click here, free download. Download the available version of Visual Studio. So that's all. So the key point here is you need to download the Community Edition Visual Studio. So let's go back to the installer. So it is still installing. I need to pause the video. So it is now installed and it is asking for the computer needs to be restart. So I need to restart my computer.